everyone, today we're going to draw a strawberry bat dragon from Adopt Me, so let's get started. First, let's start from the eyes. I'm gonna make a big circle, like that. Perfect. Now color in. Now the second eye. It's gonna shape like that. Not perfectly circle, but like that. Now color in. Let's make the cute little nose. I'm gonna make a circle like Mickey Mouse's nose have that type of circle. So like that. It's so cute. And Strawberry Bat Dragon has those dots on the face, so let's make those so they'll look more cute. I love Strawberry Bat Dragon. When I play Adopt Me, then I love it. Now let's make the head of it. So we're gonna start like from here. Gonna be so careful. Try to make it look better. Perfect. Now let's make the ears of it. The ears are humongous. Not in the game, but in the drawing they are. Cute and humongous. Like that. Here goes the other ear. Perfect. Now, those type of designs on the face, the Strawberry Bat Dragon have, we're gonna make those. I'm gonna do like this. And like a curve. Like that. And it's gonna end up here. Perfect. Now I'm gonna make the inside of the ears. I'll start from here. This is the inside of the ear. Even the ear looks beautiful. And this is the type of design it has. I think these are the horns. I'm not sure what they are, but I'm just giving an example. that these are the horns. Oh, almost forgot. The second year. Of course, I will not forget about the outlining and the design, which is beautiful. Space here. There we go. That works. Now the fun part, making its lovely little wings. Let's start from here. We're gonna take like swirls and curves. Ooh, be careful with that. Like that. And keep going with its wings. And now let's make the design. Another curve like that. And they're just like some lines as designs. Like that. It's already looking so cute and beautiful. And keep going with the lines. And one last line. Now let's make the body of it and then the second wing. I'm not gonna connect it to that side because from this side we're gonna have the foot. Cute little foot. I understand one thing in it. In Adopt Me, pets' foot are flying off the body. Why? Why is that so? Oh no. I wanna hear a special reason why. Don't forget the last feet. Perfect. Now there's like this taily thing from the body that we're gonna connect like this. This is the tail part. Something like that. Now we're gonna make the second wing. Connecting the wing. Now we're gonna make the same design that we made from this wing. We're just gonna copy and paste. And lastly, we're gonna make the part of body, and done. Our strawberry bat dragons completed. It looks really like the one in Adopt Me. I hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.